friends, today we're gonna open this drum box and we're gonna explore Colombia. Is that awesome? Let's get started. Welcome, it's Milton the Explorer. Hola, soy Milton el Explorador. I wanna know what's inside. Is there a blue jet? Oh, what's inside? This is awesome, okay? Look at it. This is awesome. This is the VK330 drone. USB cable. We have a controller. We have a charger. It comes with 2 batteries. And here's the drone. This is cool. Look. Now I'm sending my drone to explore Colombia. See them? It comes with Bogota, Popayán, Parque Cactas, Puente El Humilladero, Cartagena, San Andres. Fun fact of Colombia. Did you know the official name of Colombia, Republic of Colombia? It came from the name
Christopher Columbus.
Colombia, Columbus. They sound the same. Bogota is the capital of Colombia. The Colombia flag is yellow, red, and blue. The yellow stands for gold, the blue stands for ocean, and the red for blood. That has been shed for freedom. Very similar to Ecuador and Venezuela. Colombia is surrounded by Panama, Venezuela, Ecuador, Peru, and Brazil. Most of the people speak Spanish. Hola, ¿qué cuentas? ¿Qué más? Yo estoy bien. Hola, señorita. Muy bonita. Did you know that Colombia is classified as a mega diverse with the most endemic species like butterflies and orchid? Colombia has money. There's money as Colombian pesos. I'm getting hungry. The typical dish is called Bandeja paisa. It comes with rice, red meat, ground beef, fried plantain, chorizo, chicharron with its pork, arepa, and fresh avocado. It's always topped with fried egg. Who's hungry? Does he also know that Colombia leader in emeralds and gold? Like, are you drinking coffee right now? How do you like your coffee? Colombia is also known for music. Cumbia. The succulent is the highest coastal mountain in Colombia with an estimated height of 5,700 meters. Whoa, that's too big for me to climb that mountain. Go! Go! Football is the most popular sport. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you in my next video. Check out my sister's channel, Delete Front Page. Click on one of these videos for more fun.